You've lived in your home for 10, maybe 20 plus years and you love it. But now it's time to sell. And suddenly, everybody has an opinion on what you need to do to change it. So here's something that you may have heard. Stop me if you've heard this. You need to declutter everything. You need to empty your house. You need to bring in rental furniture. Am I getting warm? So, but what if that advice wasn't built for you? Today we are talking about why I do occupied home staging for women over 50 and why the common approach falls short. Hey there, my name is Kasha McDaniel and I'm an occupied home staging specialist, meaning I help women over 50 stage and sell their home while they're still living in it and using the things you actually have in your home. So what is the traditional staging gets wrong? Well, basically, traditional staging means that it's a vacant home or a near vacant home. And you have to bring in the rental furniture, but that can be cost prohibitive, meaning it can be very expensive, there's timelines, there's all sorts of rules and things, and you can't normally live in a house with that rental furniture. A lot of the companies may be very picky about that. So it treats the home as a way to wipe the slate clean and start over again. And it also ignores the emotional weight of selling a long-time family home. So here's what I do differently. And if you watch this video, you may have seen the video of what drives me crazy as a home stager, what I saw, and all the potential and everything. Take a look at that video if you haven't watched it yet. But basically, it was just driving me nuts that a lot of people were not staging their homes and they're leaving all this money on the table of what they could possibly get for the home if they actually just did a few certain things that they can get their house sold faster, sometimes even for more money, so you can move on with your life and move to where you need to go. So what I realized is that a lot of the time people were giving them bad advice, like I said, of, hey, you need to just empty out the house. People can see all of that, can get the better idea because your furniture looks old or maybe it's dated or whatever other excuses. Oh, it'll look better when it's empty. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that I don't agree with that because only 10% of buyers can actually see the home with or without furniture, and the rest have to be shown how to arrange the furniture. Where does it go? What colors do I do? Where do I put this couch? And imagine themselves living in the house. They really can't. There's no sense of scale. There's nothing to help them decide whether this is a good fit for them or not. But in a staged home, you can show off, look, this is a great space for the kids or for, a starting family, right? All those kinds of things. You want that feeling, of that homey feeling that you want, not just a blank canvas. So my method is helping women see their home differently, not just strip it bare, okay? So what does home staging for women over 50 actually look like? Well, I work with what's actually there. I use the furniture pieces around me in the home, and we go room by room and talk about practical and DIY friendly strategies when we walk through your home. Now, I do understand that respectfully, you are still living in the house. There are certain things that you'll want to have, like your coffee maker or your favorite chair. Now, some things we're going to have to move, some things will not, but it can be surprising as to what really has to go and what doesn't. But the goal at the end is that we're making it buyer friendly without turning your life upside down. So who is this video for? This is for women over 50 who have lived in their house for X amount of years. You've gathered all these memories, but now it's time to sell your home and you just want to still live in it and not let it go. That's the hard part. That's the emotional part of selling your house. So you want real guidance with a practical solution, you're in the right place. So I want you to take a look, if you haven't done this already, go download my free guide. It's called the How to Start Staging Your House Now. It's a free guide that you can download with practical tips that I put in there, as well as home improvements that may actually surprise you on what those home improvements are, because a lot of you think you have to do all sorts of renovations and things to sell your house, and you really don't. But this guide will help you get started on that. So Take a look at that guide. I'll leave the link in the show notes below. And if you have any questions as to what else you can do, leave a comment below, like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more home staging tips on what you can do to get your house ready to sell. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!